Muting.
Hey guys, this is Skylar. I am completely blind. I'm autistic and have a chronic heart condition. Today I'm coming at you with an autism related question. So, anybody who's either autistic or knows about autism, like a therapist or something, or if you're autistic yourself, you can answer this question. It's just a question that I have. So, well, for starters, my type of autism is called Asperger's syndrome. My question is this. I have a certain behavior. I call it chill seeking. Basically, what chill seeking consists of is I like to find. I'm always looking for new ways for me to get goosebumps, and I actually find that thing to be really relaxing to me. Goosebumps, also known as horripilation, yes, it's a real word, is actually really relaxing to me. And chill seeking means I like to find different ways to receive it, to receive goosebumps. Like one of my chill seeking behaviors is I like, like makeup brushes, the ones that are like really huge and like really soft. I like to rub those, against my skin, or any soft fabrics like fleece or satin. I like to rub them like really gently against my skin, and it kind of gives me chills. Or I have lots of favorite words, and sometimes I'll ask like a cousin or a family member that I like or that I love to whisper that favorite word in my ear, like really, really closely into my ear canal, and it feels really good. Also, sensory brushes. Again, the bristles are really, really soft, so they're a good tool to use for chill seeking, just gently across the surface of the skin. Also, like if family members, certain cousins and stuff that I feel comfortable with, I like to have them give me creepies, which means that I like to have, ask them to like gently crawl their fingertips up my back, like a spider. And I find that to be really relaxing. It basically, in any type of gentle touch can cause you to get chills. So, but chill seeking means that I'm seeking this experience. Either I'm doing it, myself, or I'm asking for it. Is this an autism thing, or is this just a weird Skylar thing? Basically, is what I'm asking. Because I've heard, certain autistics that do what are called sensory seeking types of behaviors, but I don't know if this would fall under that particular category, or if this is just something weird, unique to only me. So, also a couple years ago, I got these mittens by Fun and Function. They're called anemone mitts, and they have like little tentacles on them. And the mittens themselves are made out of like a really soft, like fabric, like polyester kind of thing. And those feel really, really good against my skin as well. Again, the chills. So basically, what I'm wondering is chill seeking an autism behavior, or is it just something weird that's unique to only me? Also, if you don't know about ASMR, part of my nightly routine is to try to find an ASMR video, because I find that to be really relaxing. And ASMR and goosebumps are very closely related and very similar experiences, and sometimes one can lead to the other and vice versa. So, anyways, I actually made a video where I showed off some of my gadgets that I use for chill seeking, and I will post the link in the description. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and God bless.